Hey everybody, this is Stephen Doherty, Dr. Doherty. I'm here to try to answer a really common question I hear from students in India. How important is it to have research on your CV in order to get a residency position? Well, as I travel around India, students seem to tell me that's the secret to getting in, and it's not. People are not looking for any one thing in your application. They're looking for your application in total. And so please hear what comes next. For some people, if you have research experience, that's nice. They want people with research experience, and that will help you. Other people will not care. The program director says, why? I'm interested in you doing clinical work. And for other people, it will actually hurt you because they're interested not in someone who's going to do academic medicine, but people that are going to focus on their love, the practice of clinical medicine. And all the research to them as program directors may seem tangential to the job they're hiring you for. This is not an application to college as you're applying to residency. We got to check all the boxes, and if one box isn't checked, you're out. No, you're not applying to school. Those days are gone. You're trying to get a job, get hired for a job. And they're looking, as they're examining your scores and your credentials, for people they want to work with. Having research experience is a good thing. I'm a researcher by training and inclination. I like people to do research, but I also hate people that do fake research or do a research project so they can say they've done a research project. I really hate research. People say to me all the time, I have time before I'm going to do my application. Should I do research? I always say, do you like research? They say, not really. I say, no, do something else that you like. Because if I'm interviewing you and you're presenting research and you don't like research, I can tell. I know people that like research and I know people that don't. And if you're trying to fake me out by doing something that you thought you should do to check the box, that doesn't go well for you. You ought to be doing something you're interested in, something you have enthusiasm for. And your research project ideally should be some topic you have enthusiasm for. Not just some topic because, I got to do something, because again, we can tell. But I've always wanted to get a sense of this, and here's an opportunity to do so. Now that's what you do your research project. Is having a research project essential for getting a residency? No. I know people get residencies all the time with very little or no research background. Is this something you should do if you have time and interest and energy? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. It shows that you have interest, and there are some programs that really are looking for people that have that capacity. They want students, while they're in residency or after leaving the residency, to do research projects because they think it reflects well in the institution. But having experience doing research is not the be-all and end-all. It's not the make or break for you getting into residency. I know people tell you it is, and I'm sorry, they're grossly overstating this. What you hear is people that say, I didn't match. And then they try to make up a story for why they didn't match. I didn't have enough research. I didn't have research, and so I'll go get that, and that'll make all the difference. Well, maybe, or maybe there's something else wrong with your application. The idea that you latch onto one thing and hold on to that one thing is rarely true in medicine and rarely true in the application process. If you have time and energy and interest in doing research, should you do some? Absolutely yes. The expansion of knowledge is intrinsically a good thing. If you don't like research, should you spend your time doing research? No. You want to go and get more clinical experience, read something that will enhance your ability to do good medical thought and practice. You should do what you love, because when you're interviewing, we can tell what you love.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.